inside me has changed. I'm so much younger yesterday.
So for our first project, we are going to be decorating this heart shape that I got from the Dollar Tree. The first thing we are going to do is painting this heart. I'm using Belly Slipper from Walmart. I bought this for $10. I'm just going to be painting over all the glitter that is on the heart here. I just want it to be a solid pink color with no glitter, so I'm just painting it over. And I just want to take a second to say welcome back to my channel. I appreciate every one of you guys on here. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so that you will get updated videos when I post them.
You know just what to say. Things that scare me, I should just walk away. But I can't move my feet. The more that I know you, the more I want to. Something inside me has changed. I'm so much younger yesterday. I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. Don't need no butterflies when you give me the whole damn zoo. By the way, you do things to my body. I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. Know just how to make my heart beat faster. Emotional earthquake, bring on disaster. You hit me head on, got me weak in the knees. Something in.
So for our next project, we are going to use this truck and do a little sign. I bought this from the dollar store. I don't really like this, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to paint the truck pink, and then I'm gonna put pink hearts here, and maybe some pink hearts here, pink and white. I'm not really sure. Maybe you can do flowers. Yeah, I'm not really sure, so we'll see how it goes, where it takes us.
So fun to color this truck pink. What I did was I colored it pink like I said before, and I put some eggs, like I hot glued them onto the back of the truck so that it kind of hides the heart. And then I felt like it was missing something, so I put some pearls on it just so that it will hide the back and it'll give it a little more pleasing aesthetic to the eye. And there you go, that is the finished look. I would prefer that if you guys recreate this, just add a little dimension to it, like adding a little white paint on it, just so that it pops out. And then I also bought the trailer so that it becomes a set. So if you guys want to recreate this, just take a picture and post it down below so that I can see what you guys are also making. In this project, you will need a cone, you'll need some Spanish moss, and you will need 2 packets of these eggs that I bought from the Dollar Tree, and your glue stick, and let's start crafting. Okay guys, it does not look like anything yet, but what I did was I just hot glued these eggs onto the cone like so. What did I tell you guys? The photo before did not look like anything, but after you add the Spanish moss and the flower, it looks so beautiful. Like you could buy this from Kirkland's or Hobby Lobby for a lot more than what it will cost you to make it. Well, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Until next time, I will see you guys. Have a happy Easter. I believe I have one more photo before Easter coming up, so I hope that you guys enjoy it. And until next time, I will see you guys. Thank you so much.